custom 4430 open station power shift.
That came right off the tongue. Jackson!
Nice to see you.
Yeah.
Let's get out of this cold. It's freezing out here.
I'm farm machinery enthusiast Dave Mowitz with Jackson Laux. Today, we're at Jackson's farm reviewing his universe of farm machinery.
It's gonna be a fun ride today.
Let's go take a look.
Let's go check out the display that I've been building for a display contest.
Oh, this is so cool.
This is probably set around 1985, roughly, I'd say.
Really? So how did you come up with the idea of a 1985 farm? Was it something your dad suggested, or?
I like the old farms, and it was a fun era.
Where do we start?
I guess we can start at the house.
Let's start at the house.
So it may just look like a regular Erdl farmhouse.
Yeah.
I did an interior.
Oh boy.
The chimney goes all the way down and then back up, and then the bed, switch, floor, vents. We've got a flat screen TV.
I would say so. That might be a little modern there, isn't it? Favorite thing of mine, the shop.
Yeah.
And you have cherry pickers. You got a lift inside there.
Yeah.
Other things?
Lawnmower, drill press, 1-ton engine lift, toolbox, tools.
The workbench.
A turbo, because we're gonna put a turbo on our 4020. The combine mainly does beans, but sometimes they'll shell some corn off. But they don't have really a grain bin, really. I mean, they've got that, but they don't really use that a lot.
Not probably from the dairy operation before.
Yeah.
You were accurate. Here, I love this. This is the old barn, right?
Yeah, this is old corn crib.
And you've got the old machinery, an old loader,
Yep.
car. That's,
Yep.
Yeah.
And then I've got a pickup truck bed, a pickup, snow blower, a 110 sitting in the barn.
Whoa, customized tractor.
Yep, custom 4430 open station power shift. I just named that off.
Oh, did you? Yes, I would say that came right off the tongue, didn't it? So I see we have the nice clean Kilbro wagons there, but we have one back here. You rusted up a little bit.
Yeah, it's got John Deere running gear on it.
It would be. Oh, so Grandpa had the running gear. You got to get a box to put on the running gear because the old one. Yeah, I love this. This is the transition farm from that era. I've seen a lot of 64 scale here. Do you have anything larger?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, right over here.
This is a bit larger than the farm scale we saw before. Your latest acquisition, a 4020? Had you always wanted the 4020?
Yeah, you could say that.
Did you think you had to do engine work when you got it?
No, not really. But no. We knew something wasn't right with the clutch.
Yeah.
But
So now you got to split. You're going to re-sleeve it, or just?
so we're gonna rebuild the whole engine.
Oh golly,
we're gonna do a rebuild kit.
And this is your first tractor restoration, so this is a whole new learning experience for you.
Yeah, this is my first time ever. I've torn down into a weed eater engine, but haven't put it back together. So this is my first full put back together.
Weed eater engine, right?
To this.
This is a little larger. The clutch was having problems?
Yes, the clutch was slipping. Like you could get it about to there, and then you gotta fight it to get it down. We just kind of got the series. I mean, I know we're missing the 630, but there's a few things we're missing, but we're hoping to get that stuff at some point, so yeah.
So we trimmed back here, 70, right?
Yep, got the 70s. My grandpa's a 70, a 60, 50A, and then Waterloo Boy.
Back over here to the lower level, starting from the left.
Got another A, another 50, and then 3020, 4320, 4520.
Do you have a favorite of all the 16th scale that you have up here?
It's not sitting up here, but a 4620 because my grandpa Bob had a 4620 power shift 72 side console.
Wow.
And now I'm searching for it, and so is my cousin Brad searching for it.
Oh, you mean a scale model of it?
The real tractor.
The real tractor. Wow. This is a bit of a hopped up 110, Jackson.
Oh yeah.
Where did you find this at?
It was up towards the Great Lakes area.
Oh, really?
somebody put all this chrome all around the fenders, the seat.
Say, this is blinged out a lot with the fancy shifter,
Yep.
the ball 8 shifter on the side. So you decided just to keep it the way you got it.
Yeah, yep. If I pop the hood,
Yeah.
I'll watch that exhaust. It's clean. I mean, this has been painted.
Was it this way when you got it?
Yeah.
Good gravy, it is so clean.
8-horse Kohler.
I would say so.
And then I like this design of their
Oh, the air
filters.
filter off to the side.
And sitting up like that, and it's a hard one instead of the foam one that's on the side on the 112. Because the foam one will waddle its way out, and then I gotta fight it every time.
Your hat just caught my eye because this is not from Indiana. Snohomish, Washington.
Somebody had sent it to me. So
Now, you've had other hats then that you've gotten
Yes.
or that you found yourself?
I've probably got anywhere from 200 to 210 hats.
Can we go see some of those?
Yeah, let's go. I close my hood. You can just come up this way, Dave.
I'm not doing it as fast as Jackson, I don't think. Wow, this is cool. Where did you get these hats? Do you look for hats or do they just show up?
People just send them to me, I'd say.
Yeah, and you're willing to take any hat that comes in, right?
Yeah.
But you really
I
like.
can't say no to hats.
You can't. You can't say no to tractors too. It looks like.
No. This is my first line of hats. There's my hat right there.
Oh, is that a Jackson hat?
Yep.
That's kind of cool. Do you have a number of Deere hats over here with tags on them?
Yes. So there's some that are still brand new over here.
But your collecting is not just restricted to hats. You have a lot of literature.
John Deere handy acreage chart. Like this is when you still have that sort of stuff. Like they kept track of their stuff.
Yeah.
Manure loader.
It looks like the loader I started out with farming. Oh, I put a lot of manure in the spreader like that.
Yeah. Rear end loader. Yeah.
Yeah.
Table, the capacity of silo. Like that's when they kept track of everything. Like those were the good old days. Step up to speedier, more efficient harvesting this year. Step up to cleaner grain. Step up to more dependability plus real comfort and convenience. Step up in style by choosing a John Deere 55, 95, or 105.
And this one, you were telling me, that's very
That's
unique.
pretty rare. That's pretty rare. And I actually have the box for it with it.
With the box scraper and the loader on it.
And the sweeper.
And the sweeper too.
And the blade, loader, all of it's there. Besides the deck.
Why do I have a feeling this is gonna grow? You're gonna add to it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I have to ask you, you have plans beyond this right next door. I see it under construction right now. Is this where all the toys are gonna end up at?
No, probably like half and half.
You have this shed going up now. Pretty soon you're gonna move into it because spring's just around the corner.
Probably a cold storage over there somewhere. Maybe a grain bin or
Over there.
probably a
Wait
corn
a minute.
crib.
Mom's chickens are over there.
Well, there's still room.
Well, okay. I really enjoyed myself. It was a thrill coming out to see Jackson Kingdom.
And it was a joy showing you around and having fun with you. That's all she wrote. No, that was a bad smile. Cut that out.